welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and I'm excited to introduce you to the MoonClimber case by Torras. If you were looking for a case that allows the beauty of your phone to shine through, offers excellent protection and additional functionality, then this is definitely the case for you. Again, this is the MoonClimber case by Torras. You can see right there, there's that Aerospace-grade aluminum alloy kickstand, and I'll show you how that works in just a minute. But first, let's talk about the other features of this case, because this is an all-around excellent case. You've got that really clear design. You can see the phone shine through. I'm going to throw the phone in the case in a minute so you can see that. But first, let's do the see-through test. I'm going to take off the protective cover, and we're going to hold this all the way up to my phone, my camera lens, and look at that. This is my hand. You're looking through that case. You would not know that you're looking through the case, but you are, and that's just how clear this case is. Excellent clear case. So it allows the beauty of your phone to shine through. Look at that. In all the corners, you've got these nice air pockets. So if you were to drop your phone and it were to hit on the corners, which of course are the most sensitive spots on the phone, you've got these extra air cushions of protection. You've got this nice Tpu bumper all the way around the outside, and then you've got this nice crystal clear hard finish on the back. And then of course you've got that great kickstand, again aluminum alloy kickstand. That hinge, very strong hinge. It's going to last a very long time for you. And yeah, let's throw this on the phone so we can see how it looks on the phone. This is the Galaxy S22, and now that we have that on there, look at that. Look at that beauty. You can see that phone, that nice shiny black finish of this particular phone. Whatever color you choose, you can see it nice and crystal clear through this case. And this case is also UV resistant. So not only is it nice and clear now, but it's not going to yellow on you. It's going to stay nice and clear for a very long time. As long as you have this case on this phone, you're going to be able to see the beauty of your phone shining through, and you're going to get that excellent protection with those, not only those bumpers in the corner, but look at this. You've got this nice raised lip around the camera, so your camera lenses are protected. And then turn it over to the front, and look, you got this nice raised lip all the way around the screen of your phone. So when you lay your phone down flat, the screen won't be touching anything because you've got that slightly raised lip to protect it. So you get every kind of protection you need. You've got covers over the buttons, but fully work and allow you to access your buttons easily. And then over here, you can see you've got the perfect cutouts that you need to access for the speaker, and then the Type-C charging port, and then even on the top here for what I believe is an extra microphone. You've got the cutouts there. So everything that you would want in a cover is there, but then you get the additional functionality of the kickstand. So you throw that kickstand out, you can put your phone in a vertical mode, or you can set it down and have it horizontal, and you can do it two ways horizontal. You can do it this way where the kickstand's like that, or you can flip it around and do it this way, so that you have two different angles for horizontal viewing, or again, you can do vertical viewing. Great for FaceTime calls and things like that. So really excellent case by Torras. Gives you allows the beauty of your phone to shine through, gives you all the protection you need with the raised bumpers and the air cushions, and then gives you the extra functionality through that aerospace-grade aluminum kickstand. So really excellent case, and one of the best cases you could possibly get for a Samsung Galaxy S22 series phone. Definitely one that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this case, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel to keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, just post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.